Welcome back. We're getting a breaking development from Pakistan where it is being said that two Indian High Commission officials are missing for the last 2 hours. The matter has now been taken up with the Pakistani relevant authorities. Tejinder is with us. Tejinder, Indian diplomats missing for the last 2 hours. What more inputs can you add?
Amita, right now the information which we have got and we are breaking first here on Republic is that two diplomats from the Indian High Commission, they have been missing and they are missing for the past 2 hours. This has been informed to us by the sources in the Indian government that the Indian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has also been informed about two Indian officials of the Indian High Commission in Pakistan. They are missing and the issue has already been taken by the Indian authorities with the Pakistan authorities. We have been reporting for the past couple of days how the Indian High Commission staff, including the charge d'affaires Gaurav Ahluwalia, were being harassed and being followed by the ISI agents. We showed those visuals just a couple of days back, and now this report has come that two officials of the Indian High Commission, they have gone missing for the past 2 hours. The issue has already been taken up with the relevant authorities in Pakistan, and the Ministry of External Affairs here in India is keeping a close eye on all the developments taking place in Pakistan on these missing two officials of the Indian High Commission, though the authorities right now have not disclosed the designation or the names of these two missing Indian diplomats. But this is a big breaking that we are breaking here on Republic, that two Indian High Commission officials in Pakistan have gone missing for the past 2 hours. The Indian authorities, including the Ministry of External Affairs, they are keeping a close eye on all the developments taking place, and the authorities in Pakistan, they have been informed about these two officials of the Indian High Commission in Pakistan who have gone missing for the past 2 hours. This is a very serious development that has taken place because the High Commission staff, they are protected by various conventions, and these two staff members of the Indian High Commission, though right now the Ministry of External Affairs, they are yet to disclose their identity or their designation, but this is a serious matter that two officials of the Indian High Commission, they have been missing for the past 2 hours. Yes, Amita.
So we're getting to know, Tejinder, that the matter has been taken up with the Pakistani authorities, but when it comes to diplomats, they have certain rights and immunities as well that they enjoy. But 2 hours, is this something that will be taken up very seriously by the Pakistani authorities if actually those two Indian diplomats have gone missing?
Diplomats who have gone missing for the past 2 hours, they work in the Indian High Commission, though right now the Ministry of External Affairs, they are yet to divulge any details about their designation or about their names. But this is a very serious matter because the diplomats, as you rightly mentioned, they have various rights and immunities which they enjoy in the host country. And for the past few weeks, we have been reporting how the Indian diplomats, including the Indian charge d'affaires in Pakistan, Gaurav Ahluwalia, was being dowtailed by the ISI agents. They were being followed; their vehicles were being followed by the ISI agents. And now these two officials, they have been missing while they were on official work. The issue has already been taken by the Ministry of External Affairs with their Pakistani counterparts, and we have been told that the Ministry of Indian External Affairs, they have been keeping a close watch on all the developments that are taking place. So clearly, it seems that Pakistan needs to come clean on this, where these two Indian diplomats have gone. This is a very serious issue involving both the nations. We know after two Pakistani diplomats, they were found spying in India. They were declared persona non grata, and they were sent back to Pakistan after they were caught in a spying ring. They were spying for Pakistani ISI, and after that, the Pakistan authorities, the ISI, they started harassing Indian diplomats. Even the charge d'affaires of India in Islamabad, Gaurav Ahluwalia, was dowtailed. He was being harassed. His family was being harassed. And now this report has come that two Indian
Yes.
diplomats of the Indian High Commission working in Pakistan, they have gone missing for the past 2 hours. The Indian government has taken this issue very seriously. We have been told that the senior officials of the Ministry of External Affairs, they are keeping a close eye on the developments, and Pakistan has already been informed. The Pakistan's relevant
So
authorities
what
have
the
already been
Indian High
informed.
Commission in Pakistan has been saying that two Indian High Commission officials are missing since morning. While on official work, the matter has been taken up by the Pakistani authorities. That is the only information that we are getting for now. As far as this matter is concerned, it's been almost over 2 hours now that we are getting to know that Indian diplomats have been missing in Pakistan, and the matter is being monitored here in India as well and has been taken up with the relevant Pakistani authorities as well. Tejinder, thank you very much.